that shit up, Quay.
Totally be a millionaire.
Niggas, they know I'm a demon. Any nigga play, then you know that I'm up in the blicky. I'm in the Benz and I'm speeding. I gotta go get it, cause I'm the hottest in my city. Me and the gang got fleet. We finna slide to the party and we gon' get litty. If I don't answer the phone, then I'm on the road, so that mean I am hella busy. My 50s and 100s is crispy. Smoking this Doja and I'm hella dizzy. I'm tryna stock up to go buy some Gucci and Prada so that I can look hella drippy. Going all in and I'm doing this shit for my mama, cause she the one kept it real. If you go against the gang knowing that you pussy, then you just gon' get yourself killed. He talking down, so we creeping up on him. I'm flexing my cheese, I can do what I wanna. Speed in the Benz, I do that every summer. Say you done bad and you broke, that's a bummer. You know I'm with the shit, so I'm not a runner. Hit him with the Glock when he came round the corner. I got a Draco, it come with a drum. If I let it loose, it gon' sound like a thunder. I'm a big dog, so you know when I walk in the party, nobody ain't stopping me. I'm tryna change for the better, I will cut you off if that's just how it gotta be. Yeah, I'm that nigga, I'm clutching my blicky, so none of you niggas ain't popping me. I stay to myself, cause you niggas is faking, I don't know if they tryna plot on me. I wanna talk about money, and if you don't, that other shit is irrelevant. I'm the real nigga they switched on, if you talk about pain, bitch, do hell of it. No, I don't play when it comes to my family, if you test them, I'ma step on shit. Niggas be claiming they with it, I know there's some bitches, they gotta admit it. Talking down, you get shot just to fit it. I told you that I was speeding in the Benz, so I just might give me a ticket. Flexing on niggas, I'm young and winning. I'm tryna go flip that nothing to something just so I can get out the trenches. Whatever I do, I keep it to myself because it ain't nobody else's business. I know that I'm finna become a legend, I just gotta wait a little minute. Can't wait till I make it to the top, I'ma just stack up these millions. Niggas faking, and you niggas pussy. I've been on the block the whole time, nigga, you a rookie.
Who the fuck is you?
Nigga switching up, gas in the air is cookie. I got a Glock in my boot, so I'm feeling just like Woody. We gon' get him gone, if he talking down. I got a Glock with extensions, I'm finna wet up the town. Little nigga say he finna push up, he better move around. Chopper hit you in your chest and you gon' have a breakdown. Yeah, he gon' have a breakdown. I got a Glock, if I leave, I'ma take it. I'm gon' be the greatest, I know I'ma make it. I'll stretch them out and leave them on the pavement. Niggas be snaking but stay in our faces. Now you really gotta watch your niggas, cause they can turn into your enemies. I do not fuck with you niggas, and you tryna beef and I swear that it's killing me. I'm freestyling in the booth and I'm talking real shit and I hope that you feeling me. I'm at the top now, niggas doubted me, none of you niggas was hearing me. I'm a dog in my city, you think I'm soft but you don't put no fear in me. I was down to my lowest, I thought you was real but nobody was here with me. Now I'm wondering, if I really die you niggas wouldn't shed a tear for me. I'm only good with the rapping because I'm thinking something God has gifted me. Shout out to my brothers, you know that I love them cause they the ones uplifting me. Shout out to my brothers, you know that I love them cause